Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2026. Just a very quick brief video for something I picked up the other day, and just to say that I am going to be making content soon. Just got to wait for it to be a little bit warmer, obviously due to my health conditions. But anyway, let's get straight into this very low budget video for you today. And yes, here we are, the 2nd of January, and a parcel has turned up. Not the most exciting thing in the world, but let me show you what's inside. Yes, can you guess? These are the little screws that you use to secure your carpet mats in your car. Now here's the one that came out of mine. As you can see, the base broke off. Yes, so I took a punt on these ones online. They look pretty much the same, but obviously are working. Now I think what part of the problem is, where I screwed them into the floor of the car, on the accelerator side, nearest to the sill, the floor is raised ever so slightly, so I think that's why it's broken. Anyway, I bought 4 of these on your favourite auction site for literally a couple of quid, I think £3.99. But let's go and put them in the car and continue 2026 bringing you high quality content for your pleasure. There we go, outside. Car's not in its usual place. I've been relegated to the roadway, so as you can see, car's not overly clean. Let's get inside and show you. That's the one that broke. Tiny bit of dirt. Who knows, eh? So yeah, so that's the plan, to install this one to replace the broken one. The other one's still in its place, all looking pretty good, so hopefully this one will do the job. So under the mat, I've literally lined it up, ready to screw this one in. This one has to be pushed down and screwed, and then the alignment should be done. There we go. Told you the video wouldn't be very long. Yeah, all in, and hopefully it shouldn't break, but you never know, and I've got a few more in the box just in case it does. There we go. Let's go back inside where it's not 2 degrees and just update you on a few things with the car. Here we go. It's another day. It's a bit windy and I may sound a bit croaky because I've had food poisoning for the last 2 days. Delightful, isn't it? But you would have seen me mess around with the car mats. And yes, I'm going to put some new wiper blades on because oddly, despite these being rubber, yeah, I don't get that anyway. But I'll just chuck these on and then give a quick update on what's going on. There we go, all on, all nice and clean with no mankiness on them. But yeah, quite impressed. They've got aero blades on as well, so the wind pushes them down. But the rubber is all looking really good. Anyway, as I say, it's really windy. One quick thing I will say is about my my tyres. Yes, they do grip lots. They do grip a lot, but they're quite the sidewalls are quite soft, so you get that little bit of movement. Whereas before, I hate stones being in my tyres. Whereas before, my Yokohamas were like solid. But I may do a quick driving video and review of it in the future. But yeah, I do have a few plans for the car, trying to sort out some brakes for it. If you've got different discs and pads on your car, let me know what you've got, because then I will get in touch with A&K and order mine up. Here we go, back in the car. Yes, I'm installing an air freshener. That's, yeah, it's not what the entire video is about. Basically, if you would have hung on till now, you would have seen a few bits strung together from videos that I started to make. One was in the early part of the year and one was the other week, and I just became too ill. So yeah, I've just picked up this actually for £1.69 or £1.49. A lemon gel air freshener. I love lemon. Well, the smell. Maybe lemon meringue. So yeah, just a quick update. As you would have seen, keep the bird songs out. Look at the buttercups, daisies, and all the rest of the stuff that are growing. It really is picking up. Just a quick update on myself. Yes, I have had food poisoning for a little while. I've been really struggling. Still going around the ever circling thing of health and everything else, but things are beginning to happening. And yeah, just lots and lots going on. As for the car, well, you would have seen back for the MOT, I had some new tyres fitted. I did mention the fact about the sidewalls being, you know, a little bit softer than I thought, but the overall grip level is really good. I've still not done anything with regards to ordering brakes, disc pads, everything. I'm kind of at a hedge point, you know. I don't want to get rid of the car because I love the car, but I don't know what to do with it really. You know, I could invest in an intercooler and a few other things, but I've still got the inner seal to take a look at before I do anything. But other than that, I just thought I'd update you all, just say that I am still here. Yeah, even on a hot night today, I wear a hoodie. Part of this condition is I feel the temperature, but I don't feel the temperature. It's really weird. Part of the neuropathy, the nerve damage, is my body doesn't relay temperatures very well. So I've almost passed out through heat exhaustion, which I didn't realise. And I turned blue because I was so cold and I didn't realise. So yeah, I don't wish this on anybody, but I'm kicking its ass. I'm sorting things out. Anyway, do I mow the lawn? Probably not. Do I let that fly out? Who knows? Yeah, so as I say, I'm hoping to do like a refresh on the channel. I've been working a lot on a community project I've been involved in. Well, I started, called the Swanage Community Show. And it's like an off-air, online only, well, it's mainly hosted on Mixcloud, radio show for the community, so everybody can tune in whenever they choose to. It's got all information about local events, stuff that are going on, the weather for the week, all the normal stuff you'd get in a radio show. But unlike radio, where the previous places I've been, listenership has been low and online only, and people can only capture it if they choose to listen to it at that time. You know, I've kind of pushed things forward a little bit, and so far in the first 5 or 6 weeks, the retention and the audience has been really, really good. So my concentration has kind of shifted towards that. I kind of want to get advertisers and backing involved because there are people interested. I've got other people involved in coming in. But all the whilst that's happening, I'm obviously dealing with my health issues, being told not to overdo things, even though like it's over a year on from my op. And for those that don't know, I had a massive hole cut in me because part of my bowel was removed because of cancer. But, you know, yeah, things are progressing. Anyway, stop waffling. This is a car video. Thanks again for all the messages of support. And, do you know, I took my splitter out of the garage the other day, looked at it, and yeah, it's ongoing. It's been a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, who knows. But I'll catch you soon in a new video and promise to get some spanners on my car. Maybe I'll just do an oil change or something. Wow.